Ever wished your Word documents could be as smart as your spreadsheets, automatically updating with the latest figures? Today, we'll show you exactly how to do that by embedding an Excel sheet directly into your Word document, making your reports more professional and always up to date. First, open your Word document where you want to place your Excel data, then navigate to the Insert tab on the Word ribbon. In the text group, look for the Object button and click it. This will open a new window. In the Object dialog box, you'll see several tabs. Select the Create from File tab. Click the Browse button to locate and select the Excel spreadsheet you want to insert from your computer. Once you've selected your file, you'll see its path listed now. Here's the crucial part for dynamic updates. Check the box that says Link to File. This is what ensures that if you change anything in your original Excel file, those changes will automatically reflect here in your Word document. After checking Link to File, click OK. And there you have it. Your Excel data is now embedded in your Word document. Any modifications you make in the original Excel file will seamlessly update this embedded table. For instance, if you change a sales figure in Excel, you'll see that same change appear instantly in your Word report when you reopen it. You can also click on the embedded table to resize it or reposition it within your Word document as needed. Save your Word document and you're done. You've successfully linked an Excel sheet for dynamic data updates.